My name is Nirider. I've been at SSR almost 13 years now. I started here in Nashville actually as a project manager and a mechanical engineer. In 2018, I moved to Florida where I became the department or director of operations and been loving it ever since. I think the first project or task I had in my first internship was running a hand calculation HVAC load on a hospital. That was a long time ago, and we don't do it that way anymore. But I intentionally set out to do healthcare way back when. I think it's rewarding being able to give back, help people. I also like that they're very complex projects. So I think maybe I'm a little ADD sometimes. So the ability to see constant change and some new challenging scenarios was appealing to me. My favorite project types are when they're complex. I like a good challenge. I like having to figure out things. Lots of times those opportunities come up with clients where it's maybe something in their organization at their facility that they've been working on for years and it's plagued their campus and they finally had enough and they're like, okay, we've got to get this figured out, and they bring us in to help develop solutions, options that work with their budget and everything else, but that's rewarding. I think there's a lot of potential on the design side for technological advancements. I think AI will have an impact for sure. I'm certainly not one to talk about what that will be, but I'm proud that we have an emerging technology council and I know that those guys are way up to their eyeballs already looking into those types of scenarios, because there's obvious advancements in AI for what we do here at SSR. From a construction standpoint, again, anything that can drive down first cost and increase speed to market will have an effect. There's a lot of neat technologies out there, even 3D printing. I mean, I read articles about that. It's pretty advanced in Europe. What's going to happen here? I don't know, but it'll be a lot of fun to watch it, find out. 5 years? Maybe. I love pretty much anything that can get me outdoors. I like fishing a little bit. I've got a 40-year-old Jeep that is in a constant state of disrepair, so I work on that. I've taken up golf here in the last few years just to add an extra level of stress in my life. So yeah, I just like being out in the sun.